Welcome to the Shady Cakes channel again. I haven't done anything recently in the sense of hard body. I do have the exhaust video that I have all the footage for. I just haven't posted anything on it because I'm lazy when it comes to editing. So, what I'm doing right now, there we go, now we zoomed out. What I'm doing right now is I am taking apart the 240. I have started taking all my components off. I actually went ahead and cut the core support here, so I should be able to pull the motor out rather easily this time. A couple of things I've noted so far is, I'm just going to do this because this looks cool. A couple of things I've noticed so far is I didn't crack this motor when I bought it, and that was 3 years ago. Yeah, 3.5 years ago. I bought it, I installed it, and then I just went ripping around having fun. So, what I've noticed is I've got a bunch of mismatched hardware. I think that the head gasket has finally given up the ghost. My catch can has some chocolate milk in it. I haven't drained the oil yet, so I don't know if that's in fact going to be an issue, or at least a telling sign. But so yeah, I took a year off. That was before I really got serious about the channel, so now I should be documenting more of the process. I think the next time I actually make a real video is once the motor is out. You guys have probably seen or have taken out motors, so me documenting that process and then editing a video really is going to be kind of a time sink. So instead, I'm going to take this quick video. I may just take a couple of these quick videos on my phone and just throw them up there for you to kind of see where I'm at. But as it stands right now, I started this on Sunday. It is Monday, so we've gone from a fully put together front end to basically a very accessible motor. Hopefully tomorrow, once I get off work, I should be able to go ahead and I'm going to start pulling the harness off, get all that cleared out of the way, probably take the fenders off because I am going to paint the bay, so I can pull the body harness all the way out, and then start draining transmission, engine oil, take the drive shaft off, take the exhaust off, and then we should be able to pull this motor, put it up on a stand, and see where we're at. Off until next time, this is Shady Cakes, signing off. I'll see you.